he's had some really good trades. So I'm like, you know what? Whatever. I'll just put some money in because he said so. And so far, I mean, it's one of my best performers the past month. So
Yeah.
hey, it worked.
Well, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, the big gamble right now is high risk but high reward is QS, QuantumScape, and they make solid state batteries, and they have already proven that it's out. And they're actually signing with a company called PowerCo to start manufacturing those. And the thing is, so this one I think honestly, like I said, the political view of it, right now I don't think it'll do too well, but in the 3 or 4 years, this one when Biden got elected went up all the way to 120, and it wasn't even
Oh,
out, and this was just the idea, you
oh,
know?
there it is.
Yeah, it was up there
Yeah,
when
big spike. Look at that.
Yep, that was up there. That was after the election. It went up. So that's what I'm saying. If we get a Democrat president, that's definitely going to blow up
Why does it have to be a Democrat president?
because most Republican presidents go with oil, big
Okay.
oil, and so there's always a conception of like, hey, you know what? We're going to go with big oil. So this is the kind of political game that they play, right? The political game is um, Republican presidents want to bring down oil prices, and they'll have contracts and start drilling. They'll bring down oil prices, and Democrats want to look for sustainable energies, other forms of energies, and so any ideas on that stuff actually boosts up higher when a Democratic president gets elected.
Okay, and these guys make electric batteries,
No,
lithium
they
metal
make solid
batteries.
state batteries. So,
With
so all batteries have liquid state in them, a liquid in some sort of them, and that's what makes them decay. So these ones are actually solid state, and so that what that means is they can charge a lot faster and they're a lot more powerful. They're 2 times more powerful,
Oh, interesting.
and they charge a lot faster. They charge in 10 or 15 minutes. So the whole world is going
Wow.
towards batteries. Yeah. So I mean, if you think about it, you have a gallon of gas and you have a battery, 1 kilogram, a battery, right? That does twice the work than the 1 gallon of gas. People are going to choose the battery.
Yeah, but I don't think the economics are there yet, right? I think gas
Yeah,
right
yeah,
now
yeah. That's what I'm
still is
saying.
more.
The thing
Yeah.
is, this company already has a contract with another company called PowerCo that starts making batteries already. So it's a big risk. I bought a crap load. I'll take the
Okay.
risk, but it's a high reward. Like I said, if they're supposed to be start manufacturing this year sometime, but it's a big risk, high reward kind of thing.
Yeah, it makes sense. I mean, these kind of batteries are most useful if you're doing like solar or something like that,
Oh
right?
yeah,
Or electric cars, right?
yeah. They're gonna charge for electric cars. Well, they
Yeah.
already did a 300,000 mile test. They drove a car for 300,000 miles. They tested it, and they have it. It was successful.
Like it
So
did, like as in it didn't blow up or something like that,
yep,
right?
didn't blow up. It's safer.
Yeah.
The batteries are safer, and they're per mass per watt hour per kilogram is actually more efficient on these. And they charge in 15 minutes. Well, quite a bit faster, and they don't expand like regular lithium batteries or nickel hydride batteries.
Like how cheap are they to make? Can they manufacture these at like if
That's a good question. From what I would read and on their meetings that they've had, they said they're doing a plating with another company that has already been doing it for a couple years. So they said it's not going to be as expensive to do it. It's
okay.
going to be actually the resources for it is not as expensive. That's what they said. I don't know. You know how the meetings are, release earnings meetings. I attend them, and that's what they said. You
Okay.
know, yeah, I can't go 100% what they say is 100% true, but I do know that they do have prototypes that have been tested, have been confirmed by third parties already.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
because I mean, if it works and if the economics make sense on it, like meaning they could
Oh yeah.
produce it at scale at a reasonable cost, then all you need is someone like an Elon Musk, Tesla, buy a bunch of these, and this stock is going to go through the roof.
Oh yeah. That's the thing. They already have a contract with Volkswagen.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah. Well, Volkswagen is actually sponsors them, so that's how they're doing their money.
That makes sense.
But yeah, that's you guys. If you guys have a high, like I said, high risk, high reward,
Yeah,
right? It's one of those like, oh yeah,
you
but
just buy a Leap and forget about it for a while.
yeah, buy a leap and just forget about it. But I mean, buy a leap. 100 stocks is $100. I mean, I don't know, maybe about $1,000, and wait for it for like 3 years. it'd be turned into what 100,000 if it goes back to 120. Not a bad investment at all.
Yeah, yeah, that makes sense. Cool. Okay. Well, I'm excited about trying some of this stuff out. I mean, I'd be down to make some sort of strategy that trades energy stocks.
Yeah, I mean, I would too. I mean, that's what I mean. Even alpha picks, like I said, I do with alpha picks. I do um um cash secured puts on them. Works like a charm, man. I'm making money every week with it on
Awesome.
alpha picks.
Cash secured puts is what you're saying?
Yeah, yeah,
You're selling puts.
yeah. I'm just on puts.
Okay.
I'm just keeping the premium
Okay. I
because I
mean,
want
now
those
that our
stocks
back
anyway.
testing is a lot faster, we could really quickly iterate through ideas like
You
this.
know, you know what? That's what I'm saying. I've been doing back testing as we've been speaking, and that new chart that you got on going around that explains the strategy is freaking cool.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, it looks good. Huh?
Thank you.
I want to tell you that right now. I just like I was looking at it like, wow, this is cool. That's a good job. Huh?
Awesome.
I like it better than the previous one.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, right now we're just really working on getting crypto in, getting futures in, making everything super fast and just like really reliable. And that's kind of like what we're focused on right now. And yeah, and I, one of the reasons you mean the backtesting chart, like as it backtests, right?
No, yeah, the chart, and then also it has a pull spread strategy and additional symbols. Well, it has like the what the flow is. Well, no,
Oh,
that's
the
not.
like image, the image
Yeah,
part,
the image. Those are cool. But even the back testing, you can see it live on the chat. That's good too. I like that.
like
I
this
mean,
thing, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. This is one of those like I don't know. This was after a couple beers late at night. I'm like, you know what? I kind of want to add this feature in. This is
Oh, it looks good. I like it. It's really
yeah.
it a lot simplifies it a lot better than what it did before. I think it does.
Yeah, I think so too. I think so too. Yeah, because this was what we had before, the flow diagram. It's like
Yeah.
it's too difficult to understand what this does, right? But then this like really simplifies, like, okay, using these tickers is what you're doing. Like, oh, okay, I get it, right? You get it pretty quickly. Yeah, cool, awesome. Okay, so I added that to the list as well. Make an option strategy for energy stocks. Add that as well with like Oklo, New Scale, Bloom, Lam Research, and all that.
Yeah. And the reason why I say those is because right now, like I said, the Trump administration wants to put for the defense budget, it's usually 1 trillion, but they want to put at 1.5 trillion to do
It's a
for
lot of money.
war. Yeah, that 500 billion right there that we can, one contract that these companies get with the government is going to blow up and we can just ride that wave.
Yeah, that's huge. It's
Yeah,
huge.
it's a big wave to ride. Like I
I
said,
wonder.
Oklo just blew up and
Yeah, I wonder if the government wants to invest in AI trading strategy companies. I,
that would be nice.
I wouldn't mind a government contract.
I
That's a
wouldn't
good
either.
amount
I
of
wouldn't
money.
mind that either. Uh, but
Oh,
they
man.
one thing our government can do, they know how to spend money. So,
Yeah, absolutely.
uh,
Yeah, cool. By the way, we have someone here that's new today. John, are you listening? Are you there? Just want to see if you want to introduce yourself to the group.
Yeah, hey guys, this is pretty cool. I have just started using the system about a week ago, so I'm kind of getting my feet wet. And so I'm going to kind of listen today and see what you guys are doing, and I'll jump back in if I have any questions. But I kind of get want to get orientated today.
Awesome, very cool. Do you want to share a little bit about yourself to the group? I know you have a very interesting, some very interesting work experience. I think a lot of these guys would find cool to know about.
Yeah,